finished up Brandon's 2332. This one was already done the 20-minute break-in. Jerry did the timing, the carburetors, got the air fuel mixture, and we put it under several loads. We're gonna cool it down, wipe it down, make sure everything's good, no problems. It's still smoking a little bit out of the pipes, but these polished headers, or actually stainless headers, excuse me, when they bend them, they get a little oil in them, so it takes time to burn all that oil off. The polishing, especially when we get it back from Tiger at A1, we try to clean it up in the parts washer, but we don't want to scratch it, so we might not get all the oil out of it, and that might be why it's smoking a little bit more than normal, but that'll go away, once you run it some more and heat cycle it. So anyway, this one's got a lot of detail, fully polished everything, fully polished case, modified rubber pulley, the A1 exhaust system polished, the Weber's 40, these are 44 IDFs, Weber's fully polished, custom wires. They don't make wires in the gray color for the 90-degree MagnaSpark, so we get the Taylor Pros, and those were a little bit difficult because we ran the 10mm wires and then had to put the boots on them, which we buy the boots and the ends separate. We put 90-degree boots down here. So this thing's all set up and ready to go. Go ahead and drain all the fluids, get it boxed up, and it'll be headed out to Texas. Brandon, thank you for choosing Powerhouse to build your motor for your new project. We really appreciate that, as well as all of our other customers. Thanks for watching.